Hello everyone, let's learn the new strum. This is baritone ukulele, which means that it's got 4 strings like a normal ukulele, but it's got a different tuning, which means D, G, B, E. Or you can try to remember it as dog, got big ears. So today's strumming is a little bit waltzy, so for waltz, and it goes like this: down and down, up, up, down. So let's try again: down, down, up, down. And if I'll go faster, this would be like this. So the song that fits this strum, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, is Puff the Magic Dragon. So I'm gonna play only few chords. So first chord is C, next chord is E minor. So as you can see, it's pretty easy. So C, and then E minor. And then next one would be a hard chord F, so it's a bar chord kind of. And then C again. Then F, then C, then A minor, then D7, then G7. So this is Puff the Magic Dragon, the beginning. Since we are not learning the song, I just wanted to show you how this strum works. Puff the magic dragon lived by the sea and frolic in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. Little Jackie Paper, he loved his rascal Puff. He brought him strings and sealing wax and other fancy stuff. Oh, Puff the magic dragon lived by the sea and frolic in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. Puff the magic dragon. So you see how it goes? So once again, if we'll try with C chord, that's these 2 fingers, and it goes to practice, and next time we will try to learn the whole song. Bye!